Hey, what's up everyone? Want to take a moment to make a solutions video for check-in quiz number 7. So this quiz is all about lookup functions. First question says, consider the following VLOOKUP. What should you use as your lookup value? Assume you plan to complete the entire column. Let's go through each of these options and I will pick the one that I think is correct. So the first option is an absolute reference to cell Hotel 3. The problem with doing that for this is that if we copy this down, it says we're going to complete the entire column. It's going to always use that lookup value as Hotel 3 and not increment that to H4, H5, H6, and so forth. So that's not it. Second option here is absolute range ranging from alpha 3 to Bravo 4. Well, the problem with that is that's not really a lookup value, that's a range. We're trying to find a particular value. That's not right. 2 is not going to be right because when we copy that down, that's not going to automatically really increment like we want to. Same thing with 1. Same thing with alpha 3 through Bravo 4. That's not the lookup value. What is the lookup value though, and what's going to work when we copy it down is going to be the value inside of Hotel 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Next question says, what should you use as your table array? Assume you plan to complete the entire column. So here we have the same options as before, and really what the table array is going to be is where are we trying to find the lookup value. So the first column of this must contain our lookup value. If our lookup value is this building code inside the hotel column, particularly this first one is going to be Hotel 3, well that means we're going to have that be inside of alpha 3 through alpha 4 for that first part of the column, and then we want to return the building, which is in the B as in Bravo column. So the range is going to be from alpha 3 to Bravo 3, but the problem is we're copying this down. When we copy this down, we want it to always use that same table array. So the option that does that is going to be an absolute reference for alpha 3 through Bravo 4. Next question says, what should you use as your column index number if you're going to be completing this for the entire column? So the column index number, we're going to look back up here at our table array. We said our table array was going to be the alpha and the Bravo columns. So of that, we want to return not the building code, but instead we want to return the building. Okay, that's going to be in the B as in Bravo column. So that's going to be 2 because that's the second column. You start counting first column, second column. Next question says, consider the following XLOOKUP. What should you use as your lookup array? Assume that you plan to complete the entire column. So for that, we're going to figure out what are we looking up? Well, we're looking up this baldness code over here. So that's going to be found in the A as in alpha column. So for that lookup array, it's going to be A3 through A4, but keep in mind, the second part of that says we're going to complete this for the entire column. In other words, I'm going to take this equation, copy it down. I always want it to use A3 through A4, so that's going to be my option that has those as absolute references. Lastly, considering the following XLOOKUP. What should you use as your return array? So the return array is what you're wanting to return. You're wanting to return this baldness information over here in the B as in Bravo column. It's going to be cells B3 through B4, but since we're going to be copying this down, I don't want that to increment. I'm going to select the options that are going to be absolute references. So I'm going to hit submit quiz here. Submit the quiz and check it out. We got 100. Hope that helped. Hope you have a great day and bye.